wanted to make sure I'm okay, and now you want to make sure that my vehicle has already been cited for a ticket.
Yeah, I just want to make sure.
Make sure I've already had a ticket given to me.
Right.
Because you wouldn't want a woman to get through Veterans Day without a ticket. Oh, hey, it's you! We've met before. Yeah, I just want to get the window down so I can...
I totally understand. Yeah, I get it.
You remember meeting me before?
I do.
Yeah, and so today you're making sure I'm okay, and now you're making sure I already have a ticket from the East Bay Regional Police?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't notice the front plate right away, so...
You've already pulled me for this one before, actually, yeah.
Did I? I think I just came in and chit-chatted with you last time.
Okay, okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Do you know I'm filing charges against you?
Huh?
Do you know I'm filing charges against you?
Against me?
Yeah.
Oh, for what?
Oh, did you know that?
I did not know that.
Oh, they haven't notified you yet? Okay.
No.
Okay. Well, they'll notify you, I imagine. How long do they usually take to notify people?
You know, I'm not sure.
Probably a month or two?
Yeah, when did you start that?
Oh, I'm sure they'll notify you.
When did you start the,
I'm sure your captain or something will notify you.
Okay. Did you call them? Did you call them? No? You don't have to tell me. Just curious. I'm sorry, do you remember who cited you for this? By chance? Ma'am? Do you remember the officer's name? Nope. Okay. Okay, so you need to get this taken care of, okay? The sooner the better, and then we'll stop bothering you, okay?
So even though the license plate is there and you can see it, it's something you'd pull a person over with and threaten them for?
I'm not threatening you.
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license? Or is this your correct information? Leslie Holmes?
So you're gonna threaten me because I challenge your authority?
I'm not threatening you. I'm just making sure your name is Leslie Holmes. Is your name Leslie Holmes?
You suppose I stole the ticket for somebody else?
I'm just making sure this information is correct, ma'am.
Oh, yes, it is correct.
It is? So your name is Leslie Holmes?
That's correct.
Okay, go and do me a favor and just stay in the car for me, alright?
Okay. This is because I challenge your authority. The officer's name was on the ticket. They know that because they print the name on it. When they print out the ticket, it has the name. So he's asking questions that didn't actually have any meaning. It had to do with submission to his authority, which he does have authority, certainly, but it's a little bit bizarre because he didn't know I was filing charges against him, which may be credible, but a little bit not credible also because there's a lot of circumstantial evidence that they talk to each other. It's also a little bit weird. Citizens are not required to submit to police. They're required to comply with law. And when I didn't appear to submit to his authority, which is maybe a Louisiana thing, he seemed to get a little bit belligerent and hostile. It's a little bit odd. Also, before he identified himself as police, he circled the vehicle and said, "boo," which is a little bit like, I thought it was a Louisiana mentally ill person, because there's a lot of Louisiana mentally ill people in the area, and they do harass women. So I sort of ignored there's a man walking around my car saying, "boo," and then he identified himself as police within like a minute of that.
Okay, ma'am. So here's the deal. You have 12 days to take care of this. Okay?
I think the ticket says it's actually until
it says,
February. Well, okay, 12 days is what you think it is. That's fine.
It says 11/23. Okay.
Okay, that's what
Today's
you. All right.
11/11.
All right, that's what you say it is. Okay.
Okay.
I've already been to the Walnut Creek Ignacio Drive to talk to them about it. But anyway.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Well, here you go.
And you pulled me over today because you were concerned about my safety, and then you noticed my plate was not mounted, and even though it's valid and registered and legal, you thought that'd be the kind of thing you'd want to stop and talk to me about.
That is correct.
If you were to see people logging in the area, would you assume they were valid, or would you talk to them about whether they had permits?
If they're what?
If there were people like chopping down trees in the area, would you stop and ask them about their permits to chop down trees, or would you assume they were valid?
It depends on what they were wearing, and depends if I.
What if their license plates didn't match a standard license plate format? For instance, it wasn't a commercial license plate or a California exempt license plate. It was maybe some sort of vanity license plate that implied that maybe they were criminal. Would you stop them then?
I don't know what it means to imply to be a criminal, but I have stopped people for having dealer plates, if that's what you're talking about. So we're all done here. So I appreciate it, and you have a safe day, all right?
Well, you clearly care about public safety and nothing other than that. You're clearly interested in public safety.
Thank you.